He sees 'tis the season. You know, it is hurricane season. We haven't seen anything since Chantal and haven't really seen a hurricane yet. But there is a new system that the National Hurricane Center's put a little tag on, an area of interest I'll show you. It's going to impact our forecast for sure. Outside tonight, let's take a look at Old Glory blowing in that southeast wind, and you can tell it is a really nice night. This is the best time of day to take a nice afternoon stroll for sure. You can see that southeast wind. That's that Gulf breeze for sure. And again, gets breezy in the afternoon and evenings. What'd you see on the hill?
Oh, somebody was running across the street. Right
oh, they were running. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, no. I hope they chasing a dog, you said? Where?
Where? Oh, by the building.
Oh, okay. Top of the screen. Top of your screen. There they go, running by.
Where's Waldo?
Okay, where's Waldo? 88 feels like 92. Dew point near 70. Highs today for the second day in a row. San Antonio hits 99. These have been the hottest temperatures of summer. So we hit 100 three times back in May, which was spring, but 99 is the hottest we've seen, and it's 2 days in a row here in summer. 101s to our south, 102 southwest, 100 at Gonzales, and 99 New Braunfels and Seguin, which is about 3 degrees above average, and 105 stays in place, 6 away from 2018's record high. Look at how hot it still feels outside. 92 in the city, 98 at Pearsall, 95 at Del Rio. I mean, for this time of night to still have a heat index near 100 in some cases to our south. And it's the dew points that make the difference. And that southeast wind continues tomorrow. So the western Gulf pours in the humidity. That will not change. Now, we do see that mid-level low finally leaving the state. Spent almost the entire week here. Look at the buildup of moisture out to the east. This is translating into some rain for southeast Louisiana, not in association with what we're watching in the northern Gulf. That's a little bit farther to the east. So the National Hurricane Center has a low probability, only 10%, that we see this develop into what would be Dexter. That is the next named storm. But this is following the exact path of our last week area of interest. It never really developed either because it was so far north. Now, if this does trend a little farther south, you get into some deeper water, some warmer water, more conducive an environment to see this become Dexter. But right now, it could just be hugging the coast. One thing's for sure, Dexter or not, look at all the moisture it'll push west, especially Louisiana. Upwards of 4 to 5 inches of rain will come out of that. And it does get far enough west to impact our forecast. So let's take a look at future radar. Heading into tomorrow, no change. Cloudy start to the day, sunny finish in the upper 90s. But by Friday, watch as some showers develop out to the east in the afternoon, only getting about as far west as Gonzales on Friday, but then a little bit more widespread expected on Saturday. So we'll take a closer look at high resolution data. I think the better chance of rain is going to definitely be Saturday, but we could linger in with a slight chance on Sunday too. 14-day forecast starts with Thursday, sunny in the afternoon, 99. Notice that we've got a 10 to 20% chance right on through the weekend. Beginning next week, we're going back mid to upper 90s and rain-free forecasts until the first 2 days of August. We got an isolated shower opportunity. But with these upper 90s in place, let's supply the demand that's coming. Project Cool. Drop off a brand new box fan to any San Antonio fire station. And if you need a fan, the United Way helpline is 211.